Okay, so I'm going to do these problems, and hopefully I have enough room over there. What did I need to do? Oh, here. Okay, so now I can. No. Can I write? Yeah, I can. Okay, so I will, and here we go. Right. So 3 divided 78. So again, on the side here, aquí al lado, maybe I don't know. I'll write it here on the side. 78 divided by 3. And then I'm going to write 78 over 3 so that you know these are all the same. Okay, so let's look at our first number. So we're looking at this 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can I make groups of 3 with 7? Yes, I can. Right? You can see that I can. So how many groups of 3s? I can make 2 groups. And if you, that's one way of doing it. Or you can go through your times table. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. So I can make the 2 groups. Can I make another one? So if I make 3 groups, I need 9 sticks. Do I have 9 sticks? No, I only have 7. So we want to use this fellow over here. So 3 goes to 7. 2 times. 3 times 2 is 6. We're going to subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. And now we bring the 18 down. Right? So how many times can I make groups of 3 with 18 sticks? So imagine if you had 18 sticks. How many groups of 3 can we make? Well, go through your times table again. 3 times 3. Let's try 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Now, I can make groups of, I have 5 groups. Can I make more? Well, let's try 3 times 6 to see if I can make one more. Oh, look at that. I can make one more. So I can make exactly, with 18, I can make 6 groups. I can make 6 groups of 3. 3 times 6 is 18. And with the example, I don't have any remainder. So 78 divided by 3 is 26, or 78 over 3 is also 26. Next one, 78 divided by 6, and again, I'll write it here on the side, or 78 over 6. They all mean the same thing. So let's try. Let's look at the first number, which is a 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can I make a group of 6? Yeah, I can. Only one. I can't make another one. So 6 going to 7, one time. 6 times 1 is 6. Let's subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. What do I do next? I bring the 8 down. And then imagine if you had 18 sticks. How many groups of 6 can I make? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, let's see. 18. Let's start with 2. Sorry, not 18. Let's start with 2. 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, so for sure I can make 2 groups. Let's do another group. Let's try 3 groups. 6 times 3 is 18. Oh, I just have enough for 3. So 6 goes into 18 3 times. So 78 divided by 6 is 13. 92 divided by 2. Okay, so let's look at the first number. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can I make groups of 2s? I can. You can see I can. Oh, I forgot. Let's write that like this. 92 divided by 2, or 92 over 2. So you can see I can make, I guess with the sticks, if you did a sticks, you can make 4 groups. If you use your times table, 2 times 1 is 2. I mean, you don't have to start with 1, but 2 times 3. Let's go 2 times 3, 6. Oh, not enough. 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, good. Can I do 2 times 5? Can I make 5 groups? With 5 groups, I need 10 sticks. Do I have 10 sticks? No, I have 9. So the answer would be 4. How many times can 2 go into 9? 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. We multiply those two, right? Subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1, and bring the 2 down. How many times can 2 go into 12? You make 12 sticks, right? How many groups of 2 can you make? That's the question. So 2 times 5 is 10. Well, let's do 2 times 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. So if I wanted to make 7 groups, I needed 14 sticks. I don't have 14 sticks. I have 12. So we can make 6 groups. 2 times 6, 12, and exactly 46. So 92 divided by 2 is 46. The next set of numbers. Okay. So again, let me write this like this, divided by 4. And I'm going to write it as a fraction. So that, again, it's just for you, reinforcing the idea that they all, okay, can be written in 3 different ways. Can 4 go into 5? So if I have 5 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, can I make a group of 4? Yes, I can. Can I make 2 groups of 4? No, I can't. So 4 goes into 5 one time. Put a 4. Subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring the 2 down. How many times can 4 go into 12? So I don't know if you like this stick idea. Okay, I mean, if the number is small, 12 sticks I can do. But if it says to draw 300 sticks, I'm pretty sure you're not. Right? So the sticks can come in handy sometimes. Or you can do the times table. 4 times 2 is 8. So I can make 2 groups and I need 8 sticks. 4 times 3, can I do 3 groups? 4 times 3 is 12. So I have exactly enough for 3. So I'm going to put a 3 over here. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract again. That's going to be 0. And we're going to bring the 0 down. Now we can't leave here. No podemos dejar esto vacío. How many times can 4 go into 0? ¿Cuántas veces 4 entra en 0? 0 veces. Right? So that is 0. So you can always, so the answer is 130. Check in your calculator, put 520 divided by 4 and see if you're correct. Next one, 735 dividido por 5. Oops. 735 divided by 5. 735 over 5. Can 5 go into 7? So the first question, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can I make a group of 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Can I make another one? You can't. You can see you can't. So it's just 1. 5 goes into 7 one time. Right? 1 times 5 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Bring the 3 down. How many times can 5 go into 23? Well, you can draw 23 sticks, right? Or we can do the 5 times table. Let's start with 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, so we have more. 5 times 4, 20. Okay, so 4 times. Can I do 5? 5 times 5 is 25. Es mucho. So no, we're going to use this one. 5 times 4 is 20. So we're going to put a 4 over here. 5 times 4, and we're going to put a 20 over here. Restamos. 3 minus 0 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. And we bring the 5 down. How many times can 5 go into 35? So let's keep our times table. 5 times 6 is 30. Okay. Let's see if I can do one more time. 5 times 7 is 35. Good. I can make 7 groups. So I'm going to put a 7 over here. 5 times 7 is 5 times 5. 7 times 5 is 35. And that's our answer. So 735 dividido por 5 is 147. Please check your calculators. Okay, use it to your advantage. Okay, you have a calculator with you, use it. 9. So I have 4 sticks. Let's look at the first number. Oh, actually, sorry. 495 divided by 9. 495 over 9. Right? So again, 3 different ways. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I make a group of 9? I can't, guys. No puedo hacer un grupo de 9. Let's stretch that number to 49. Okay, 49 sticks. ¿Puedo hacer grupos de 9? Yes, I can. ¿Cuántos? I don't know. So, en vez de hacer sticks, instead of doing sticks, let's go to your timetable. So 9, no, vamos a empezar con 3. 9 times 3. Can I make 3 groups? That's 27. Okay. Remember, it's 49, right? So I have more. Let's see, 9 times 5. 9 times 5 is 45. Okay, I have enough. Tengo suficiente porque necesito 45. What about 6? 9 times 6 is 54. That's too much. So we want to use that one. So 9 entra en 49. Oops, sorry, I forgot the next there. 9 goes into 49. 5 veces. 45. And now we subtract. 9 times 5 is 4. 4 times minus 4 is 0. And we bring the 5 down. 9 goes into 45 how many times? Well, we already know the answer. It's going to be 5 again. So we put 45 over here, subtract and 0. So the answer is 55. Okay. Where are we? Okay, so okay, so next one is 92. Okay, so again, bigger number. That's why we're going to use our calculators. Okay, so again, let me write this. So we have 828 dividido por 92. 828 over 92. So I have 8 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ¿Puedo hacer un grupo de 92? Can I make a group of 92? Obviously not. So, no. What if I drew 82? 82 sticks. Hay 82 aquí. ¿Puedo hacer un grupo de 92? Can I make a group of 92? No, not enough. So also no. Now, how many times? Now, if I drew 828 sticks, can I make a group of 92? Yeah, I can probably make quite a few groups of 92, 92, 92. The question is how many? So let's do our 9 times table here. 92. Let's not start with 9, with what do you call, with 1. Let's start with about 5. 92 times 5, and I'm using my calculator. 92 times 5, oops, 92 times 5 is 460. So 5 grupos is 460. So definitely more. Se puede hacer más. So let's try 92 times 8. Un número más grande. 92 times 8 is 736. Oh my God. Let's try 9. 92 times 9 is 828. Look at that. So, with 828 sticks, ¿cuántos grupos de 92 puedo hacer? 9. So I'm going to put a 9 over here. And this one I got 828. Next one, 12. So again, 624 divided by 12. 624 divided by 12. Okay, let's find out what that is. Try to use your calculator during the process and then later to check your answer. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the first number. Can I make a group of 12? No. Then I drew 62 sticks. 62. Oh my God, 62. 62. Can I make a group of 12? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. I don't know how many, but we can make. So let's use our times table. Let's start with 12 times 4. 12 times 4 is 48. Remember, the number is 62, right? So 48, yeah, I have enough for 48. Let's do one more. 12 times 5. 12 times 5 is 60. Ooh, I can make 5 groups because I only need 60. Can I make 6? 12 times 6 is 72. Too much because I only have 62, right? So definitely we're going to use this one. 12 times 5 is 60, so I'm going to put a 5 over here. And then we're going to go 12 times 5 is 60. Restamos. Right, and 2 left over. We bring the 4 down. Can 12 go into 24? Yeah. How many times? Well, 12 times 1 is 12. What's 12 times 2? 24, exactly. Good. So 12 goes into 24 2 times. So my answer is 52. So in your calculator, go ahead and put 624 divided by 12. See if you get 52. Next one, 42. So we have 142. So 966 divided by 42. 966 over 42. Okay. So let's start with the first one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the first number. Can I make a group of 42 here? ¿Puedo hacer un grupo de 42? No. Let's do 96 sticks. No voy a hacer 96, pero imaginen. If I had a group of 96 sticks, ¿puedo hacer un grupo de 42? Yes. ¿Puede ser 2? Tal vez. Vamos a chequear. 42 times 1 is 42. 42 times 2 is 84. Ooh, so I have enough, right? 42 times 3. Can I make 3? 3 times 2 is 6. 126. No. No puedo hacer 3, pero puedo hacer 2. So 42 times 2. So I'm going to put a 2 here on top of the first 6. 42 times 2 is 84. Restamos. 6 minus 4 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1. And we bring the 6 down. How many times can 42 go into 26? Well, we already had that from, right? We already did that 3 times. Exactly, actually. So if I had 126, I can do one group of 42, two group of 42, and a third group of 42. So I'm going to write 3 groups. And we get 0. Okay? So again, just basic, hopefully, just for you guys to refresh your memories on long division. Let's do the next one. Ooh, the next one's a little bigger. The calculator is going to come in handy. So let me write this 1918154 divided by 82. And I want you to write 198154 over 82. Right? They all mean the same thing. Let's get started. All right, so the first one, I have 9 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? The first number. Can I make a group of 82? Of course not. 91. If I do 91 sticks, ¿puedo hacer un grupo de 82? Yes. So 82 por 1 is 82. ¿Puedo hacer dos grupos? Can I make 2 groups? I don't think so. 82 times 2 is 164. Too many. So we're going to put 1. Let me put 82 over here. Let's subtract. We need to do some borrowing. 9 becomes 8, and the 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. We're going to bring the 8 down. So again, can 82 go into 98? Yeah. Can 82 go into 98 2 times? No, because 2 times would be 164. So again, it's going to be 1. Subtract. We're going to bring that 1 down. So, I like this question already. So 82, so we have 161. Can 82 go 2 times? No, it's 164. So can 82 go in 161? It cannot. No se puede. Por eso tenemos que bajar. That's why we have to bring another one. Pero we can't. Guys, you can't leave this empty. Not empty. We can't. So what are we going to put there? A 0. Okay? And then now we're going to look at the number 1,615. 1,615. Okay, so how many times can 82? You know what? I'm stupid. Sorry. Ignore. What am I doing? Sorry. This was okay. 82 can go into 161 one time. Oh my God. Sorry. Ignore. Oh my God. What did I just do? So let's subtract. Okay. Hopefully you didn't catch that. Borrow. That's a 0. 16 needs to borrow, help the 1. So that's going to be 15. And the 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 2. 9. 15 minus 8. 7. Now we bring the 5. Jeez. What was I doing? Now it's 795. How many times can 82 go into 795? I'm going to take a guess and say 8 times. 82 times 8. So on your calculator, you can do 82 times 8. And that gets you 656. We still have lots. So let's do 82 times 9. 82 times 9, ladies and gentlemen, is 738. 82 times 10, it's 820. So we definitely can't do 10. No se puede hacer 10, but we can do the 9. So let's put a 9 on top of the 5. That's going to give us 7, 3, 8. Subtract. 9 becomes an 8. 15, 155 becomes 15. That's a 7. 8 minus 3 is 5. And we bring the 4 down. How many times can 82 go inside 574? Ugh, let's try 82 times 7. So 82 times 7 is, oh, look at that, 574. Right, because 9 was too much, 6, 8 was too much. Right, so we try 7. Put a 7 here. It's exactly that. So the answer is 11,197. Wait, 11,197. Okay. Last one. So let's start. Can 32 go? Let me write this down. Sorry. Write as a fraction. Okay. So now let's start. Can 32 go into 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can I make a group of 32? No. So I'll put an X here. Now let's think of 92. Can 32 go into 92? You have 92 sticks. Yeah, you can. One group of 32, two groups, maybe 3 even. So do your times table. 32 times 2 is 64. That's okay. Let's try one higher. 32 times 3 is 96. Ooh, too much. So we have to use this. So it's going to be 2 times. That's going to give us 64. Let's subtract. 12, well, borrow. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. Bring the 7 down. 32 goes in 287. How many times? Well, let's try 8. You can try 5. You can try, but let us try 8. 32 times 8 is 256. So for sure 8 times. Let me try 9. 32 times 9 is 288. Too much. I only have 287, so it has to be 8. So put an 8 there. 8 times 32 is 256. Subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. 8 minus 5 is 3. And bring the 2 down. Can 32 go into 312? Did I do something wrong here? Just give me a second, guys. 64, 8, 8 minus 6 is 2, 7, 1, 3, 9. Chotto mate kudasai. That means, please, 1 second in Japanese. 1 and 1, 5 is 3. And 1 second. It looks right. Did I do anything? Okay, so let's try 32. How many times can you go in 312? So let's try, well, we have here already. We wrote it. I wrote it. So that's why it's nice if you write the times table here, so that you don't have to do it in your calculator again. So 32 times 9 is 288. And just to tell you that if I did 32 times, well, 10 it's not going to go. It's 320, so that's too much. So let's put a 9 here. And it's going to give us 288. Let's subtract. Borrowing again, that becomes a 2, that becomes 11, which becomes a 10, and the 10, that becomes a 10 because it borrowed 1 to the 2. That's a 4, 12 minus 8 is 4, 10 minus 8 is 2, and we're going to bring that 0 down. 32 goes into 240. Ugh. 32 times 7, let's see what's 32 times 7. It's 224. 32 times 7 is 224, and guys, 32 times 8 is 256. That's too much. So I'm going to put a 7 here. 2, 2, 4. Subtract. 4 borrows, so that becomes a 3. That becomes a 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. And we're going to bring the last 0 down. How many times can 32 go into 160? So I'm going to say 5 times. 32 times 5 is exactly 160. So we put a 5 here. Well, the answer is 927,200 divided by 32 is 28,975. Okay, it's 28,975. Okay, hopefully that definitely helped you a little bit. Okay, see you guys all tomorrow morning.